Hello everyone and good afternoon. Today we will present our assignment blueprint for subject curriculum for early childhood education CSZD1043. Now we will introduce our name first.
My name is Aisyah binti Safanwa. My metric number CK240729048.
And my name is Nurmadina Nasir. My metric number is CK240728888.
My name is Aiman Rahika binti Rezaki. My metric number is CK240729018.
My name is Nur Syazanisa binti Syarudin. My metric number is CK240729049.
This is our table of contents. Now I will present 1.0 introduction. Firstly, curriculum and environment are key in early childhood learning. Second, support or area of children development. Third, safe and fun, space book, active learning. Next, KSPK guides planning and assessment. Then, activity makes children grow. Next, creativity setup spark curiosity. Then, coroners encourage diverse planning. Lastly, prepare kids with 21 ST skills.
Next, 2.0 explanation of the objective. 2.1 Objective 1 Communication. The objective is count object and say the number accurately verbally. The activity is first, spin the wheel of a vehicle picture and count the number of objects. Second, children say the number out loud in front of friend and teacher. Third, encourage early communication and self-confidence. Next, increase understanding of the concept of number. Build active interactive between teacher and student. Lastly, fun learning atmosphere. 2.2 Objective 2 Physical and Aesthetic. The objective is draw the ball towards the number on the bowling pin accurately. The activity is first, draw the ball towards the number cans arranged. Second, practice eyes-hand coordination and body control. Third, children say the drop number. Next, develop gross motor skill and aesthetic aspect. Encourage cooperation, patiently waiting for their turn. And teacher monitor safety and provide encouragement. Next, 2.3 Objective 3 Science and Technology. The objective is complete addition operation 1 to 10 with guidance. The activity is first, use dice and hand drawing to answer addition question. Second, play-based learning approach. Third, teacher guidance help write answer correctly. Next, say the amount accurately already. And increase understanding of addition and number concept. Strengthen logical thinking and problem solving skill. And focus on early cognitive skill in mathematics.
Now I will explain 4.0 discussion about the learning material. For 4.1 is communication strength. The activity for this strength is rolling right. For the material, we use polyfoam, blue tape, cardboard, black paper, black tape, blue fabric, print vehicle pictures, a screw and a glue gun. Next, I will explain how we made the rolling racks. First, we cut the polyfoam vertically and horizontally to form the base and the pole. Next, we wrap both parts using blue tape to make it look neat and attractive. Then, we draw a large circle on cardboard, cut it out and wrap it with black paper. After that, we use blue fabric with a width of 2 cm to divide the circle into 10 equal parts. We paste pictures of different vehicles in each section. Next, we made an arrow shape and wrap it with black tape. To assemble everything, we drill holes on the pole, the circle and the arrow. Then insert a screw and glue it tightly so the wheel can spin smoothly. Now for how to use it, teacher begins by demonstrate how the game is played. Then, teacher will spinning name wheel is used to randomly choose a child. The chosen child comes forward, spin the wheel, identifies the vehicle shown, counts how many there are and says the number out loud. As for the advantage, it had boost cognitive skills such as counting, number recognition, and understanding quantity. It stimulates visual focus and memory through bright and colorful image. It encourages communication and turn-taking as children interact with their friends and the teacher, and it also helps develop fine and gross motor skills by spinning the wheel and pointing to the pictures.
Now I will explain 4.2, which is discussion about the learning material for activity, physical and aesthetic strength. This learning material named Ball a Tin. The material that we use to make this is empty can, colored paper, colored felt, glue gun, tape and scissors. To make this learning material, first we need to wrap the can using tape on the top and bottom. Next, wrap the body can using colored paper. So we used to use the yellow color, and then we form the number 1 until 10 on the colored paper and cut the numbers. After that, we stick the number on the red can. Lastly, we form a ball by crimping paper and tape the ball. How to use this learning material? Firstly, teacher will explain how to play the game, and then teacher will demonstrate the game. After that, teacher let the children start the game. So, the children need to arrange the can according the number like this. For example, teacher say number 10, and then children need to throw the ball toward the number 10s correctly. The last one, I will talk about the advantage of this learning material. First, it can strengthen number mastery. By this activity, children learn to actively recognize and say numbers. It also helps memory of the shape of number and number sequences. Second, it can improve gross motor skill. It is because the ball throwing activities stimulate to hand-eye coordination. It also trains strength, arm muscle control, and body balance. Lastly, it can promote focus and quick reaction. By this game, children need to listen to the numbers being called and find the correct target. It can train the ability to pay attention and act according to instructions.
I will present 4.3 Science and Technology. How to make hands-out math. Firstly, prepare cardboard as the base of the game. Second, cut out flat fabric in the shape of a plant to represent fingers. Then print A4 paper and laminate for right numbers. Make a frame using fat fabric to beautify the part where number will B. Writing. Next, draw the basic dice template on a manila guide and box. Then, cut and assemble using a hot glue gun to form the dice. Place manila guide on the dice surface and then cut small round shape from A4 paper and paste them as dots on that side. Now I want to present how to play hands up maths. Firstly, the teacher demonstrate how to play the game to children. Then, our fingers are keep close. Keep close at the start. Children roll the dice twice to get two numbers to be at. Next, after the first roll, the children write down the numbers obtained. After the second roll, the children write the second numbers. Next, the child adds both numbers and write the total. Lastly, the child then writes the correct number of finger on the fat hand and show the answer correctly. Lastly, advantage of the hand-ups math. Firstly, improve basic math skill for help children understand the concept of addition in fun way. Next, the activity of drawing dice and counting fingers involves physical coordination and visual focus. Then strengthens memory and concentration for children. Next, provide an engaging and non-boring learning experience. Encourage logical thinking and problem solving skill. Lastly, boost children's self-confidence. For example, the children feel confident when they are able to solve question correctly.
5.0 Conclusion. First, activities support a holistic early childhood approach. Second, all activities follow speaker learning and content standard. First activity is word wheel, writing and turn taking. Second is ball acting, motor skill and values. And the last one is hands up, playful math exploration. The last one is creative tools keep kids engaged. Next, active learning encourage growth and support whole child development. And lastly, fun, meaningful and effective learning. That's all. Thank you.